Welcome to our channel! Today, we're going to take a closer look at the cutting-edge technology of laser cutting machines, brought to you by Jinan Lingshu Laser. Jinan Lingshu Laser offers a wide range of cutting-edge laser cutting machines, including fiber laser cutting machines, laser marking and welding machines, CO2 laser engraving and cleaning machines, vibrating knife cutting machines, plasma cutting machines, and more. These machines are capable of cutting and engraving various materials, such as metal, wood, plastic, and more, with precision and efficiency. Whether you're in the automotive, aerospace, or manufacturing industry, these machines are designed to meet your specific cutting needs. Jinan Lingshu Laser is equipped with the latest technology and a team of skilled professionals dedicated to delivering top-notch laser cutting solutions. Whether you're a small business or a large-scale manufacturer, Jinan Lingshu Laser has the perfect cutting solution for you. Thanks for joining us today. Be sure to check out Jinan Lingshu Laser for all your laser cutting needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more industry insights and cutting-edge technology. See you next time.
FindSupply, a completely non-profit foreign trade service platform.